Okay, Gary's Tour fans, this is a beautiful day. It's October 21st, and we're walking up on Broadway toward 1 Center Street, where today we're going to pick up our press pass so we can cover for you the Thanksgiving Day Parade. We urge you to tune in to Gary's Tours on November 28th at 9 a.m. for the Thanksgiving Day Parade. We'll do the entire parade from 9 to 12, 3 hours. That's going to be challenging for me, but I won't drink any liquids for several hours before that. So it's a beautiful day, beautiful blue sky. Once again, we're recording this in 4K and 60 frames per second. It's a busy Monday and a beautiful day here in New York. The weather is just about perfect. They're suggesting that it may be as hot as 85 degrees here this afternoon. Well, let's see what we see walking up Broadway towards Center Street. We explained these little things were going under. Whenever they do construction on a building to protect the pedestrians that may be walking by, they have to put up a cover. The building up ahead has the same thing because they're doing some construction. And that's to protect people from like a falling nail or a falling 2x4. You can see that from the height of the buildings, even a building that's only 10, 12 stories, if something falls off that building, hits you in the head, it could literally kill you. This is John Street. I used to have a law office there years ago. That was my Manhattan branch office. But you know something? This is more fun than practicing law, doing videos. Because I get to meet a lot of really interesting people. And I see a lot of really interesting places. I've always loved going on tours. When I was young, my parents were into vacations a lot. We always went on a lot of vacations. So I got accustomed to going on vacations. And really like it. So now, I'm a little older, sort of on vacation all the time, and happily doing YouTube videos for you. Please subscribe and like if you feel moved to do so. The little red button on the lower right-hand side of the screen, you tap that, that will subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, and you'll be notified immediately of any new videos that come out. We have 2 or 3 videos coming out each week. Looking for things for sale. Lots of stuff for sale here in New York. Yeah. That building in the distance is 1 Center Street, the municipal building. That's where we're heading to. And they keep coming even after the light changes. Why not, right?
Okay, these are raspberry.
And the bicyclists here in New York don't really seem to follow any rules at all. They go wherever they want to, run lights, do whatever. which is a little annoying because it makes it a little dangerous for the rest of us, particularly people walking along the street, pedestrians. What a beautiful day. Now we're Park Row. Buses will kill you. We're waiting for our chance to cross the street. Lots of Teslas in New York. Lots and lots of Teslas. Still walking up Broadway. They call this section of New York Civic Center because of the municipal building that we're going to is really the New York City Hall, 1 Center Street. Beautiful parks here. We're a little early. May stop and get a coffee somewhere. I love days when it's a beautiful blue sky. Duane Reade's popular drugstore in New York City. This is just an extra video for you folks. We'll release this in probably over the weekend after we get it edited. This is Gracie Mansion. Obviously, that's where the mayor lives, right there. The mayor of the city stays in this house. We call it City Hall Park. City Hall subway stop. Big house for the mayor, but it's also the offices of the mayor in that house as well. Let's take a look. See the offices? That's a big house, but that's where all the, besides the mayor, if you're living there, he has all his offices there. The sun is beautiful today. It's like someone about to get married at City Hall. Hear the noises of the city. After a while, you don't even notice them. Mexico. Let's see what we have here. We're walking behind Gracie Mansion, the mayor's residence, and towards City Hall. Beautiful sunny day. There's the building we're going to, City Hall. In my lawyer days, I used to go there and negotiate cases against the city. Bring in 10, 20 cases and try to settle them. This is called Chambers Street. We're near the federal courts, about a block away, the federal building, and the state Supreme Court, and the tombs. Tour guide giving you a tour. Now we're very close to Brooklyn Bridge. We have an upcoming video, a walk across the Brooklyn Bridge, which you may find interesting. City Hall Park. Looks like a nice park. Is anyone allowed in there? Maybe. Not so much today. They call it Chambers Street because it used to be years ago a lot of court buildings around here. So that's why the court judges had chambers here. That's why I call it Chambers Street. Now we're at 1 Senate Street. We're going to stop the video at this point, and I hope you enjoyed your walk around up Broadway and over to Senate Street. And if we're lucky, we'll get our pass so that we're allowed to go on the other side of police barriers to cover parades and other events for you. If I don't make it in 5 seconds or 4 seconds or 3 seconds, I'm going to get run over for sure. 0, I'm out of time. Alright, we're going to stop the video now because they don't want to search me.